Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button. What has become of South Africa kesana kukuthi bantu bakudumela nje emini alanga libalele bakubamba inkunzi. It's just so shocking ukuthi bantu abananzaba umncane umzala ugugile. People are just so cruel kesana. Kune-video le-circulator-ko lapha etinkundleni tokuqhumana yemlungu lo mdzala lesekakhulile wendoda bamkhuthuza bamthathela i-cellphone bathatha ngisho nemali yakhe. This thing yendeke outside of i-shopping center lelapha eBloemfontein. Kanti le video isabalele lapha etinkundleni tokuqhumana ngemva kokuthi kube khona umuntu loqopha leya video wayiposta etinkundleni tokuqhumana ya-circulator nje kakhulu. Amaphoyisa athi adinga kokuthi labate nangu sigebengu nangu avela abatshela abadize Nkosi yami kokuthi bangamtholaphi nangu umfana nangu lovela lapha kule video akhuthuza lo mkhulu kabuhlungu ngabamthathela indoda yakhe emini libalele olanga lishisa lidla abantu. Nangu lo lesimbonako, if anyone uyamati, it's your brother, it's your cousin, your neighbor, or awushayele omaphoyisa because uyi-most wanted nje uyafuneka kabi bamfunisa kwemali. So bantu abaningi it seems like indzaba yemakhamera bayithatha kancane kokuthi nje nabantu bayokushutha ivideo oyemini utentela indi yakho untshontsha ukhuthuza abantu snatch amafoni ebantu batokushutha abantu and batokuthola. Just nokuthi nje masofuna abantu baku-internet mhlaba wakho usuke somncane kakhulu. Mhlaba wakho osuke somncane masofuna abantu baku-internet there's no way bangahlala bangakutholi njengoba sibonile nalo mfana lo beka-trenda lo snatchele yafoni yalo yasisi i-iPhone bamthole within 2 days guys. Within 2 days kude la sawutobhaqa khona uma bantu baku-social media sibakufuna nalo bot lona bathi batomthola. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye. Bye.